Hello, my name is Darnell Henderson, and today is my 5 steps for a quick vocal mix. Step 1 is the quality of your recording. 9 times out of 10, if you record garbage, you only gonna get garbage. Number 2, levels. Ensure that you're not peaking. Most people will record vocals at a 0 dB level. Step 3, panning. Panning left, panning right can give your vocals a lot more depth, and it'll fill in some of your blanks. Number 4, effects. Adding effects can hurt you or it can help you. If you record in a smaller area, most likely you'll use more reverb than you would in a bigger area. Number 5, listen. Listen to your sound. Listen to it in a car stereo. Listen to it in speakers. Use others people's music that's in the industry as a reference guide and use them to help you with your sound. Hope you enjoy, and let's make music.